Why do we say, God bless you, after someone sneezes? The origin is much darker than you think. The most popular theory goes back to the Great Plagues of the Middle Ages. A violent sneeze was often the first deadly symptom. People believed a powerful sneeze could literally expel the soul from the body. Saying God bless you was a desperate prayer to protect it from evil spirits. Another story says Pope Gregory the Great ordered it as a prayer to protect Rome from a devastating plague in the 6th century. So the next time you hear it, remember, you're taking part in a tradition born from a historic fear of death.